What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Zach Vision checking in. And in this video, I got something special for you guys. So, recently, I won a giveaway from Connected California. If you know about Connected, then you know. And I want to do an unboxing for you guys. And right here, we have the Connected box. I'm gonna get back in my content bag, put something out for you guys, and big shout out to Connected California for this video, for this unboxing. I'm truly thankful for the opportunity, truly thankful to be included, be involved, be welcome. And thank you guys for showing love too. Both Connected and anybody who's watching this video, thank you guys. Hope y'all are taking care of yourselves, because in these times, it's really needed. So, let's get into this unboxing. I got my handy dandy box cutter right here. Let's get it. Connected. I'm excited. I'm excited. I was waiting for this one. I was really waiting for this one. There we go. They give some nice. Shout out to the box color. If you like yellow, let me know. This is big. This is big. Alright. So right out the box. It's back for you guys. This out. Got a packing thing right here. Packing slip. Boom. Yeah. I think this is a grinder. Let's see. Ooh. Love this hat. Got the Connected hat right here. Connected, crafted, curated, connected. Got a logo in the back. Yes, sir. Matter of fact, put this on right now. I like my Connected hat. Yeah. Connected. Put it back. Yes, sir. We got a quality of everything Connected sticker right here. I love it. Got just some playing cards, a deck of playing cards, Connected. Special edition, trusted since 2009. Connected playing cards. Ooh, I love the designs. These designs are amazing. So you got that. You got a Connected rolling tray right here. Connected tray. Yeah, I love this tray. This is amazing. Boom. Got this black underline. I love it. And last but certainly not least, we have a Connected t-shirt. I love this colorway too. Connected. I want to give a huge shout out to Connected. Thank y'all for the opportunity, for the love. I'm definitely going to enjoy this. Oh yeah, and let me show you guys the grinder. Definitely gotta show you guys the grinder. So I'm really excited about too. It says on the grind. Ooh. Oh yeah. Nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Like 4-piece grinder, I think that's what they call it. Yeah, that's nice. Oh yeah. It feels really good. It feels really good. I'm grateful for the opportunity. Like I said again, it's your boy Zach. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Peace, love, blessings. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.